sleeping for hours. I'm gonna go to the beach, so I'm gonna walk a lot. Thought about buying a used bike and traveling in Italy. It's so dangerous. That's my road. Self-consciousness, skills, communication. That's just nice quote. I'm listening to podcasts about traveling. Leaving Baretta now to Foggia. Harvesting tomatoes. On the bus stop. Okay, I'm editing in a church. It's cold here. Town called Vieste. Look at this view. So today I did a lot of random buses and I'm in this beautiful town. Oh my god! Tiny water. They don't have Lidl, so I'm gonna test Eurospeed. They have a lot of ready-to meal. Oh, chicken, €5. Sorry, I'm not filming, man. Sleep is so important. I need to sleep more hours. Now I'm just gonna go to beach, swim, eat something. It's unhealthy snacks so far. Beautiful sunset. What a view! So many cars. Lovely town. Mamma mia, pizza. Spend evening with friends. That's my bed for tonight. Finally, good cozy place. I wasn't recording much today. I not enough sleep. And later, evening I spent with my friend and another friend from France. So we just drink aperitivo and talk all night. See you tomorrow. Bye. My sleeping system. Decathlon, sleeping pads, sleeping bag, blanket. That's it, my backpack.